Alright, I'm working on this thing. I took off the whole thing from its case, turned this around, undid a screw underneath here and here so I can get to this little pod down here. Cleaned it, lubricated it. Hopefully it works. I'm going to put it all back together and see what happens. This is the eject button for the DVD. Put that here first. There we go. And then here, I think it went to the small screw, right? Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. I know that one went here. Did I even mention what this thing was doing? I was putting the tape in and it was just chewing it up. So I cleaned that little pod. I think I'm gonna go, well actually you know what, I got the back here, nothing over there. There's one here. I believe that one was this one right here. Let's see if I can go sideways here. A little bit of sideways action. Yep, it's going. Okay, got that one. This one up here as well. This one goes here. I believe that goes up top. This one as well. Same with that. And that one too. Actually, this one goes down here. Okay. Okay. How did this go? That's the problem right there. Okay. Alright. Time to test it. Let's see if all that work paid off. Alright, here we go. forward. Play. Rewind. Play. Stop. Eject. I don't like that noise. I gotta figure that one out. Anyways, it's working. I'm just gonna see what that noise is. Thanks for watching. On to the next repair we go.